I'm Antwoine Washington. I'm a Cleveland-based artist, and I'm a co-founder of a nonprofit called Museum of Creative Human Art. In my community, you necessarily don't get so many artists. They didn't care if I knew how to draw. Can you shoot a jump shot? Can you dribble? I thought instead of like being an athlete, I want the artist to become the new athlete. I grew up watching the Bad Boy Pistons. Now kids can look at a person like me and say, oh, I want to be like him. He paints, he looks cool, and I feel like I can use my voice telling these stories of what we're going through and our experience in America. I'm not Dr. King, I'm not Malcolm, I'm not none of them. I'm not a great orator, that's their skill, but I take my skill and I use that pencil and that paintbrush just like they use the microphone. Just like people that we see and we walk past every day, we kind of just walk past them and don't pay them no mind, and so much depth to her. I painted her with a gold sweater to show the royalty that I saw what's inside of her. For the neighborhoods in America, I want my work to be able to inspire change, to be able to push and invoke thought, and be able to pass the baton to the next person behind me where they can be able to run with whatever I'm doing and take it for another 100 years. I'm gonna use my talent and my skills to be able to say what needs to be said and actually inspire change through what it is that I'm doing. Hopefully one day it'll be some historical artifacts. One day to continue the stories that's going on in today's time.